Nee, Jamie, yeah. Eolia bish yalti, bish and seki, still yalti. She got in on that only. Okay, so so we're going to shoot for 5, but maybe a little bit after, depends on people passing off. Yeah, if you pass off what I have today, goes like that. We could be done right little past 5. All right, let's go down to, I'm going to show you this little beauty. So let's try that. Okay. So this is where you click to see you want to have a quick glance at what the syllabus is all about. That's what you do. We have the vision, which one leads the way. And I'll give you a taste of a little something today. So I'll talk about quite a bit. When we met together September 13th, this is that learning chart I was talking about, how to read vowels, and then we added a little bit of the consonants. So that's what that is. So this is good to review all the time. Okay. You might spend 5 minutes, but then come back again, but another 5 minutes, just little by little, and just practice along with it. I think you should be okay. And then from there, you go over here and say, okay, remember pass off? Here's a pass off. This is one that, if you do this one, that's the whole class. Okay. You say, I missed that day. and I just didn't get on, and so I need to listen to that first day. That's where you go. Okay. So it says YouTube video of tonight's class. Okay. And then this one over here is where you pass off. All right. So this one I did 2 video clips. One is with the circle idea, and the other one is with the back and forth. So it's similar, very similar. All right. You just choose one or the other. Okay, so, and then video 2. Okay, let me tell you how I do this. Okay, so I go up here, and when I get up here, it says recent. This is just me, okay? And so lesson introduction, vowel sounds, we did that one. So we're okay. We don't need anything there. Okay, so I have copies of all. So today's video is going to be about colors, right? Colors. Maybe some talk about a little sacred stone idea. So that's where we are today. And we're the 22nd. So we'll catch up slowly, just right after another. All right. Just wanted to show that to you. And now let's go to the other time. All right, here we go. Let's look at this picture for a minute. All of us are always dependents. What's dependence? Dependent means you're leaning on something. You're like, that's a great little thing that I have in my life. I depend on it. And a lot of times it's food, right? Food. I depend on water to drink, water to wash my hands and things like that. And then I depend on food, like I have to have food. So there's a lot of things we depend on every single day. And that's the reason why I put and the other way you can do it is morning, midday, evening, nighttime. So it's 24/7. All right, so that's how that works. Now, being dependent doesn't happen just in the morning. It happens throughout the day. Noontime, you're dependent, but you also become independent. You kind of have a plan. So in Sakya, means planning. You do planning because you thought of something. You said, I'm going to do that today, and so during the day you're doing it. So that's being independent. You got on a bus, you went to school, and said, yeah, to everybody, yeah, So anyway, that's just you, right? So you become independent in the ways, and the teacher, you're listening, you're say, okay, I don't want to just listen, I want to write. Or what I do today is I just use my little iPhone and I just record, right? I just record, I don't need to write. Later I can write, but I don't need to write. So if I really like the talk, if I really like the presentation, I just record, right? And you can probably do this right now if you wanted to, as you're listening. You could just probably record and have your own recording. All right, you don't have to have pictures, you just have a sound. But sound, both is good. But you also will get a recording of all this that we're doing. So anyway, during the day, and the evening is called Ina. Ina means life. Everybody that you have grown up with, that you were brought up with, was probably at home. You know, grandma and grandpa might be home, depending on what kind of setting you have in your life. Grandma might be down the street, or it could be across the country. But then today we have Zoom and stuff like that, so we don't need to travel that often. That's cool. Anyway, as we grow, as like this tree, not this tree, this plant is growing, we become interdependent. Now, we might say interdependent by saying team. We become team players, right? What that means is when you have a team, see, there might be 5 people in the team. The team might be, I mean, you have to. One might act like a leader, the other one might act like somebody that writes notes or whatever. Each one has a role, or each one of them have a gift, something that they love to do all the time. So you team up with them, whether it be basketball, whether it be some kind of a project for school, whether it be going on a trip, whether it be family, whatever, always team. But you know what? We depend on each other. We lean on each other. So being dependent is just coming together. Interdependent means just coming together and you depend on your team. All right? Because the quarterback can't win by itself. You have to have some other, you have to have somebody catching the ball, right? Good. So anyway, that's interdependent. But then if you have a vision, that's like having a purpose. That's like having a reason why you got together and you're accomplishing the same goal. That's a vision, you know. And visions come in many ways, through your thinking, through your feelings, through your dreams, through your meditation, through your prayers. Many ways to receive some good stuff that you always wanted. Okay, so once you get your vision, your team becomes a win-win. Everybody wins. Everybody likes being on the team. Okay, Jermaine, is she still there? I hope you came in, Jermaine. Sorry about it if I didn't catch you, but if you can get back on there, I can do it now. I can get you guys in. Yeah. Okay, so another word that we can put here is win-win is synergy. Synergy means, yeah, see this team? You got 5 people on this team, right? 5 people on this team. But synergy means 1 + 1 = 3. It's like having an army. It's like feeling so good and proud that, man, we can accomplish twice as much, right? So that's synergy. So that's what I mean by interdependence. Now, why do I show this idea? Why would you want to follow this feeling, this tree or this plant? Well, when you're here, okay, means you're a feeling of accomplishment, a feeling of peace and love and joy. Everything seems to be in balance in your life. That's satsan. Anyway, so when we do this class, when we go here, we start with ideas, right? Today we have colors, and we call it naach, nash. No. Okay, so we'll have a little separation here. Not colors, not benach. You can say benach if you want to. But there's 4 colors, and then there's 6 more down here. Number 1, notice I separated it because words are made out of little sounds. Sound 1, sound 2, sound 3, and then makes up a word, meaningful words. So what I did is I said, okay, these has 2 sounds. Red has 2 sounds. Ke, chi. Notice how the chi goes up, yeah. The way you know that is by these little marks. This one doesn't have a high tone, so you just stay low. Ke. Next one is chi, and but you what I call stretch it out. Chi, 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 but then you have a little stop at the end. This little mark right here is a stop. So chi, chi, I'm overdoing it, but that's what it does. Chi, chi means it is red. Chi. Next one is almost close. You start off the same way. You almost have to overemphasize this one. See that X? This is a little rule. The little rule is when there is an S nearby, you don't want to put H here because you might say SH sound. But this says no, it's not a SH sound. It's a ho. So you're separating and then ho. And so the X is another way of saying H. Okay. All right. I'll show you another distinction between that one in a minute. Next word. So you got 1, 2, 3 sound. 3 sounds. Means there's 3 something coming out of your mouth, right? The first one is ha. Remember the ah, like father, ha. And then the next sound is id. Cut it go. Those 3 sounds need to come out of your mouth. Cut it go. And listen very carefully because you're going to be using it over here. When we get to ina, when you get to nahat ina. All right, here we go. So what is that? Green. We want to say green. Cut it means algae. Remember how you go on look at a pond outside in the summer, and you see some green inside it? That's algae. So how do you say algae? Cut it. Ta means water. Kai or ta. It means the leftovers that's in the water. All right. Cut it go. Go makes it like it is green like. Green like. I say dot means green. Actually, green, blue, and purple have the same ending. All right, have the same ending. So cut it go. Do is almost sounds like there's 2 eyes there. Is just keep it short. Is do is. So cut it go to green like the algae is what you're saying. Green like the algae. Next one. Yako. Ya means sky. Ya means heaven. And then the word go. Ya, it's like the sky. Yagodotish. So when you look at the sky, it is blue. All right. Another way of understanding this is during the day, early in the morning, it's white. Before the sun comes up, there's a little whiteness there, bright lights coming out of in the early morning. And then the during the noonday, we call it ya, means turquoise. Though tliji is the word for turquoise, but ya meaning the sky. So turquoise and the sky. So the turquoise represents the sky. All right. So, but there's similar colors. All right, similar colors. So we say yago. dot is green and dot is blue. But you got to distinguish between algae, like algae, green like the algae, blue like the sky. Okay, blue dot is blue like the sky. All right, and then we say tse means rock, tse, but really in this case it means tse de deko, tse de heightum, deko, all high, tse de deko. So the deko is the word for a plant. Yeah, the plant is called a plant that grows around here. Sedadeko is called sedade. It's purplish in color. Okay, so sedadeko, purple like this plant called sedade. Sedadeko dotlish. So now you got 3 types of dotlish, but you got to distinguish it between katligo, yago, or sedadeko. Next one, pink. So right here, remember, kichi, that's red. That's like strong red, like this strong red right here. But if you want to just lighten the red, say dinelchi. It's kind of like saying it's almost red. Okay, and so we say it dinelchi. Chi stays the same, like red. Chi means red, but dinel means light, just almost reddish, which comes out to be pink. Dinelchi. Brown. Almost, you put the red back inside right here where it says chi, chi, chi. See how chi, the short CH sound, chi, and then it, short again. 2 short sounds, right? Chi, chi, then chi, or the bech, chi, the bech chi. Why is the bet in there? How is brown come out to be the bet? Well, in Navajo, we have white sheep, and we have brown sheep, and we have black sheep. And the brown one, we know how to say white sheep, say the bedal gagi. We know how to say the black sheep, the bedal jinigi, the ones that are black. But brown, we say the bechchi, the bechchi. It means reddish like the sheep. That's brown, the bechchi. Some people say nitkin, which means almost like the white cloth has become dirty, brown, nitkin. So sometimes people might say brown is nitkin, but a lot of times it's more the bechchi. The bechchi. All right. And the reason why I put all these little dashes is because every sound needs to be said. You can't just say dilchi or bechchi or chi. You got to almost say every little syllable. Okay. That's the way Navajo is. You got to sound every syllable. All right. De, bech, chi, chi. All right. Black is same as the hichi, hitzo. See, hijin. Jin means black. Hijin. That's why we say the black man, we say jini. All right. Jini, the black man. Okay. Ni means just like a person. Ni. They make it into a noun. All right. So hijin means black. Hekwe means white. Hekwe. All right. Keba, no, all the colors from 8 to 11 is all she. So hijin, hegwe, keba. Ba means gray. Ba. Let's see, I got one person coming in. Sorry about that. Okay. Great. All right, here we go. Last one. I want to distinguish that word yellow with orange. All right. Notice that orange has that X in it. You gotta say that ho at the end. Hitso, right? Hitso. But now look at the yellow. Look at the X is gone. So what's the difference? Here's the difference. Here, listen to the sound. Orange, hitso, ho. Yellow, hitso, hitso. I really don't bring that H, the H sound in there. I just say hitso, hitso. So that's the difference between orange and yellow. Orange, hitso. Yellow, hitso, hitso. All right, so that's it. All right, so hopefully I'll do a video clip for tomorrow, and then you can listen to all this again over and over and over. So that's called tahakis, thoughts. Thoughts. It doesn't really make any sense, except it's just like, this is called red, this is called orange. So it doesn't make sense right now. But then we go to nata, where somebody asks us a question, some version of coming up with a next step up, right? Next journey. Here we can say ball, Josh. Notice it says it's not Josh. You gotta stretch it. Josh. In fact, the more you put the oh, you're gonna be totally correct. So make sure you stretch it. Josh. So what does Josh mean? Josh means the jaw means if you ever have something that's in a round ball shape, the jaw means it's roundish. So this ball is called jaw. All right. So anything roundish might be the jaw, but ball is jaw. Now there's a question about jaw. Jaw height ego. How is it colored? Look at the ball, jaw. How is it colored? Hashit ego. Hash. Height ego. Okay, we don't need a. We could put the H, SH in there. You can just say height ego. How is it colored? Jaw height ego. Nashchan. All right, now we get to answer it, right? The answer is over ina. And the way you do it is you're talking to somebody, right? First, it's you can ask a question to you. So, if I had a ball in my hand, I'd say, hey, everybody, and the minute somebody answers it, we call that ina. You connected with somebody, connecting with somebody. Yeah, somebody's going to answer it. And the person over there might say, Josh Hichiko. Remember that? Hichi right there. Go like is go. Josh Hichiko Nashchan. Notice Nashchan and Nashchan is colored. The ball is colored light red. Yeah, the ball is colored red. That's what you're saying. Now you're successful. Now, Siasim. You got it. All right, so on your pass off, listen to this so you can say it correctly. But then over here, you say different colors. All right, you can make this different colors. You can say, point to one of these right here. This could be your balls right here. Here we go. Over here, and somebody says, hey, and if this was a turquoise ball, the person might say, how is this ball colored? And your answer would be, Yagodot is go. Remember, say that go, right? Yagodot is go. Nashchan, right? If it's yellow, this is a ball, so it's yellow ball. So we say, the person says, Josh hate ego nashchan. And the person that's answering says, Josh hitsogo nashchan. All right. And then if somebody says, this ball right here, Josh hate ego nashchan. How is this ball colored? And they come back and say, Josh he jin Kijinko. Kijinko. Nashcha. All right, anybody have any questions so far? You got it? Give me a thumbs up if you got it. Got it, got it. Or just say, yes, I got it. No, just type it in. Sorry. So I know that you're doing something, right? I know that you're getting it. All right, and John got that thumbs up. Yeah, nah. Oh, yes. And John get. So let's go to the next level. This level is if you're really into the language, right? If you really want to try out the language with a bigger question, right? Answering the question. Let's say you got a ball that has two colors in it. All right. This is a Josh. And somebody says, Josh, you can say D, this, Josh, and now you got to say, oh, how do I say black or white and black? You know, here it is. Josh, Hijin, right? Black, Hijin. You don't have to say go because go is going to go next color. Josh, Hijin, do, go. So you're saying Hijin and you're also saying go. All right. Hijin, do. What's the do? And that's the word for and. That means black and white. Yeah, that's what you're saying. Josh, Hijin, do, nashchan. All you did was extend two colors. You made two colors. If this ball had another color, you just say Kijin do, and maybe it's blue. Yagodo is go nashchan. Okay, if it has three colors, you would do that. All right, so that's the next level up. All I'm asking you to do is right here, just practice this. Use this ball, use this ball, use this ball. You know, use this as maybe you got 4 or 5 colors right here, and you can practice. Yeah, practice. So today, as a pass off, how many minutes do we have? Today, let's see. There you go. Okay, you got 35 minutes. All right. So we can actually pass you guys off if you want to. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to be the person that's going to ask the question, and I'm going to point here, and I'm going to say George right there, George right there. So I'm just going to point to the ball, and I'm going to ask the question, George right there, and you're going to see that I'm pointing to this one, and all you're going to say is George Hichi. And then I'll just give you a clap, right? All right, anybody have any questions? You got it? You got it? Nejan. All right. If you're ready, put, let's see, I'm ready, right? Put I'm ready so we can pass you out. And I'll go by the type. People are typing. And that way you can pass it out. And I'll just get my pen so I can write your name down. Okay, just type it in. Here we go. Here we go. We can make it another line here. We might have more people this time. All righty, let's go back up. And yeah, remember you have to turn on your mic, right? You have to turn on your mic. So it looks like we got Maya, let me see if I got your name written down somewhere. Try out your mic. Let's see if it works.
Yate.
Oh, Yate. Maya, Josh, hate egonas chan. Look where I'm pointing. Josh, hate egonas chan.
Josh Lijin Nashta.
Okay, one more top. Remember that little goodie.
Josh Lijin Go Nashta.
Cat. So we'll go ahead and let you pass off on that one. Let's go to another one. Let's go to Jermaine. Jermaine, Jermaine Hosteen. Say something.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Jermaine. Here we go. Jermaine. George. Nice.
Jo. Let's all go. Nash chat.
I should put my praise words on here because Nijone is a praise word. Because you can do it with others too. All right, here we go. Nijone cat. So that was Jermaine. I got you crossed off right there, Nijone. Let's go to Tyra. No, how do you say your name? Tyra. Is that right? Turn your mic on. Teldon.
Yeah.
Oh, barely hear you. All right, say Yate again. Nothing. I can barely hear you, so just get closer to the mic, I guess. All right, here we go. A little bigger, right there. So, Josh hate ego nashchan. Josh hate ego nashchan.
Josh Yagodoslish go Nashcha.
Wow, I'll give it a 5. And Johnny, yeah, good job. All right, so let's go see if I get your name down real quick. See if I know. Last time. So I don't have you down for last time. So I'm gonna put your name down for TIAR. Okay, and okay, let's go to the next one. A cat. Thank you, cat. Leticia. Yate.
Yate.
Oh, gotcha. I can hear you. Leticia. George Wait Egonash Chan.
Josh Ligay go Nashcha.
Ah,
I think.
oh, you got it. Way to nail it. All right, let's see if I got your name down here. TCR. Oh. Okay, no, you did pass out last time. So maybe, all right, so next, Tisha, I don't have your name down for some reason. Leticia. All right, next one, next person. I think Jared. Yeah, that's Jared. Did I do you already?
Oh, can you hear me now?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Okay.
All right. Jared. George,
Yeah.
ego nash chang.
Okay. Jo. Let's say go Nash chat.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see. Do I have your name down somewhere? Yep, right there. You did it last time. Let's go to Ladenia. Yate. Is that how you say your name? Ladenia?
Yate.
There. I hear you loud and clear, Johnny. Ladenia. George hate ego nash chang.
Jor che na ja.
This color right
Jor le checo na ja.
there. Okay. Can you see my pointer?
Dạ sẽ.
Okay. Try Josh Faith Ego Nashta. I'm pointing to this one.
Cho is tigger na ja.
Josh Shitsogo.
Che sigo.
Shitsogo. Okay. Nice job. Nijang. Good.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So let's see. That was. Make sure I get that one down. Just trying to keep track of the name. Oh, you did. You did it last time. Okay. Next one. Shiana. Shiana. That is Shiana. Can you
That's
say
it.
something? Oh, good. Shiana. Is that how you say it?
Cheyenne.
Cheyenne. Josh Faith Ego Nashchamp.
Yo Lishkai go Nasha.
Keep going on the journey. Yeah. All right, so that was. Oh, did I skip somebody? No, I didn't. I'm fine. Let's see if I got your name down somewhere. Yep, I got it. All right, next. Okay, I'm getting two. I think we did you, didn't we? Yeah, we did. Let's go to Harley. Harley.
Yate.
Harley. Josh, right? Egonash champ.
Okay. That's blue, right?
Oh, Yako.
Okay. Yako.
Oh, say Josh first.
Oh, Jo. Yako do si is go na cha.
Very good. Zambia, Josh. All right, so that one we passed. So I'm making sure that your name is on the list. Yep, we got it. All right. Ladonna. Michaela. Is it Michaela Yadi?
Yate.
Josh Faith Egonash champ. Josh Faith Egonash champ.
Jo I Shin go nasha.
Oh, Shizhen Gonash champ. There's only, yeah. All right, so let me see if I get your name down somewhere. I have to write your name down because I don't see it. Okay. So I'll write it down now so I can see it. Yeah, Johnny chat. Leah Yadi. Leah Bai Yadi. Can you say something so I can hear you? Johnny.
Oh, hello.
Leah Bai. Josh Faith Evanas Champ. Josh Faith Evanas Champ.
Caucasian or wait, Caucasian, Caucasian,
Is it this one?
Jingo, Nasha,
Are you doing this one or this one? I'm pointing to this one.
or Caucasian, or Nasha.
Oh, so it's a cheap one. That's There's only a yeah. So let's see if I got you down somewhere, That way I don't have to write it. Let's see. Let's just write your name down. Yeah, Leah. Next is Alisa. Yeah, there, Alisa.
Yate.
Alisa. George with Egonash champ.
Jo Sisho. Jo
George.
Jo
Uh-huh.
Jo Fish. It's so
Mm-hmm.
not.
Right here, one more word, one more sound. So go.
Vitsoko nascha.
There's only a out there. That's right. All right, let's see. Let's see if I got your name down somewhere. I don't see it. Okay, so it was right down. Next, we have, we did Jermaine. Do we have two Jermaine? No, I don't think so. Jordan Yade, Jordan. Get your mic on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's Jordan. Jordan, George weet ego nasz czas.
Go Asu Go Nasha.
Let's go nasz czas. Yeah. Good job. All right, so that's Jordan. I'll see if I got your name down. So yeah, there it is. Okay. Next, David. Yeah, David.
Mr. Long.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is two Jermaines, Jermaine H and Jermaine L.
So we need to do Jermaine L, right?
All right. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Jermaine L. Yeah.
Yeah.
George weet ego nasz czas.
Josh Shiti Nasha.
Yeah, don't forget the geo. George go.
Josh Shiti Nasha.
Oh, chat. Thank you, chat. So we do have the. So this one, you got to put your name down so we know that there's two. L. Yeah. Thanks for helping me. All right, here we go. Let's go to Tessie. Yade. Brigade.
Yate.
Yeah, Tessie. George weet ego nasz czas.
Wait, which color? Oh,
Way down.
Josh Le Gaiko.
Last word.
Wait, what?
Josh go.
Josh Le Gaiko Nasha.
There's only a cat. All right, cat. There's only a. Let's see if I got your name down somewhere. Don't think so. All righty. So while I'm thinking about it, if you did not pass out lesson 1, if you have a way to record yourself, either a video clip or just a recording between two people. So if I hear you, you might say something like this. If it's your little brother, you say, Johnny, George weet ego nasz czas. Teach him. Okay. Fastest way to learn is teach. So you teach somebody. And you say, we're going to record this, Johnny. Johnny, George weet ego nasz czas. And Johnny would say, George ego nasz czas. And there it is, you pass it out. So then just send me the video clip into Clayton as Gmail. All right. So that's how you can pass out without having to do with us here in class. All right, everybody get it? Okay, let's see. Let's go to Bailey. Yeah, there, Bailey.
Oh,
Bailey. Bailey, George weet ego nasz czas.
Yakoto Klish Nash Chan.
Don't forget the go.
Go. Okay.
Go Nash.
Yato Klish Go Nash Chan.
Yeah, good job. All right, so that was Bailey. So I think we got him somewhere. I'm trying to get your name. Nope, I don't have your name. So I'm here.
Mr. Long,
Yep.
I'm ready.
Okay. You got, yeah, are you the one that needs to go? And what's your name?
Janessa.
Janessa, yeah, Janessa. Okay, Janessa, ready? Let's go here. Jochit Egonashchan.
Josh Sitsoko Nashcha.
Yeah, good job. All right, let's see if I got your name. Janessa. Oh, there you go. Good job. All right, so let's go. Miakoda. Mykoda. Yate.
Yate.
Mykoda. Jochit Egonashchan.
Sihazen.
Josh. Oh, go with Josh and then choose a color. What's the color? Josh.
Oh, Josh. Linia. Lechego Nascha.
Oh, Klizingo Nasha. That's right. Jania got it. We got it. Do I have you on your? Do I have you somewhere? Okay, we got a new person here. Turn the page. Wow. So much writing. Yeah, here we go.
Clayton.
Oh,
Alon,
yes.
you skipped me.
And your name?
David Gonzalez.
Oh, I thought we did you.
No.
All right, yeah, David. Yeah. David. Josh, wait, ego nasz czar. Okay, right here.
Josh. Josh Legego Nashcha.
Nejani, yeah.
Oh,
Hi, Mr. Long.
All right, who's this?
Jacobs.
My name is
Oh, yeah, Jacobs. We did you, right, Jacobs?
No.
Okay, yeah, there, Jacobs. Josh, wait, ego nasz czar.
Leche. Oh, Joe, Lecheko, nice chunk.
Oh, Nejani.
Okay.
How do you spell your name? J-A? Is it J-A-C?
Mr. Long,
Hold on, that was that last person. How much? Oh, how do you spell your name? Was it? I know we did David. Who was after David? Oh, maybe that was David. Oh, Jacobs. All right, who is next? Is this Hannah? Tell me your name.
you can't even hear what it's.
Yat-E. Who am I speaking to? You just call my name. And what's your name?
Mr. Long, you skipped me.
Okay, what's your name?
Cassie.
Kelsey. Kelsey, Yat-E. Josh, wait, ego nasz czar.
Josh Soko Nashcha.
John, Josh, it's sober nasz czar. Yeah, Kelsey. All right, let's see. Where am I here now? Is Hannah? Are you ready? Yate.
Yate.
All right, Hannah. Josh, wait, Evanash. Right here.
Jolas Chico Nashcha.
Josh is in Gonash. And there's only a cat. That was Hannah. A cat. All right, let's go to Jasmine. Lee, yate. Turn on your mic. All right, Jasmine, are you there? Okay. All right, let's move on in case we get it back. Kaylee, yate. Did we do you already? Kaylee.
No, you haven't.
All right. Yate. All right, ready? Kaylee. George, wait, Egonash Chang.
Jo leche gonascha.
Kaylee cat. All right, next was Damon. Did I do you already, Damon?
No.
Damon, yat Josh, wait, Egonash Chang.
Zo Iago do is in go nash and chat.
Damon.
Mr. Long, you skipped me.
Okay, your name?
Haley LeBlanc.
Haley. How did I skip you? Let's see if I got your name here. Right there. Yeah, there, Haley. George, wait, Egonash. George, wait, Egonash.
Josh le guy go nascha.
There's only it. George, the good one. All right, let's go back. If I miss you, just let me know. Let's go to Dion. Is it Dion? Dion M.
Hello.
Yeah, there.
Yate.
George, wait, Egonash. Hold on. Let me get my. Okay, right there. George, wait, Egonash.
Josh leche gonashna.
No, there's only a cat. And Dion. Or yeah. All righty, let's go to the next one. Peyton, yeah, there. Peyton.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Oh, Peyton, yeah, there. Ado George, wait, Egonash right here.
Josh leche gonascha.
The cheap one, nice. Okay, let's go to this one. George, wait, Egonash. This one.
Josh legend wait.
Go look at my mouse pointer. Can you see that?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, so I'm going to have you say this one right here. George, wait, Egonash.
Do I say it? Wait.
Oh, Yago. Because I'm pointing to this one. George, Yago.
Yeah, Yego.
Yago dot is go.
Do please
Go.
go.
Nice. Nice. Got it. Any questions? You know what I did? Did you follow what I did?
Yeah.
Good. We got it then. Yeah, cat. Let's go to Leah. Did I do you already? I think I did, didn't I? Okay, Sophia. Is it Genesia? Not Genesia. Are you there? Sophia, is Genesia there? Okay, I'm not hearing anything. All right. Lorraine, Yade. Turn your mic on.
It's Lauren.
Oh, Lauren, Yade.
Yeah.
Lauren, George Hate Ego Nashchar. Oh, where's mine? Oh, there it is. George Hate Ego Nashchar.
Josh Lechi go Nashcha.
George Chigo Nashchar is only a cat. All right, that was Laura. All right. Next, Bailey. We did Bailey, didn't we? Is that a different Bailey? Is there a Bailey we didn't do? Okay. Plans, yeah. Okay. It's good, another person. All right, so we're passing out. Okay. Casey, what did we do, Casey? Casey Rivers, we did you, right? If we didn't, let me know. Casey Rivers. Did I do you, Casey? Yeah, Casey. Can't hear you. Turn your mic up. All right, Casey, I'm not hearing you. Okay. All right, Bailey, we did you. Okay. Did I miss anybody? All right, let me check the time here. 5:04. Hey, good timing, everyone. The cat. So you did very well, Johnny cat. So let me just quickly just cover some quick stuff right here. If I was to tell you about question and answer, right? Question and answer. It's a very good way for conversation. So you could probably just talk to your brother or your grandma, and something that you can try at home, right? You find a ball. It could be any of these colors right here. It could be Teddedeco. If you got a purple one, teach the word purple, all right? And then say, I want to ask a question about this ball. First of all, we need to say purple ball. And we say Teddedeco, teach first. Teddedeco. Now I'm going to ask you, what color is this ball? And then show them the ball. Josh. Teddedeco. And then you say, this ball is purple. Then you say, Josh hate ego nashchan, color. And they have to say, Josh Teddedeco nashchan. All right. So that's just a thing that you can just take off with, just do it so you can practice all the way through. All right. So notice when you answer, Josh and Josh is the same because you're talking about this and that. So in Navajo, whatever you're talking about comes first. And then whatever description or wanting something or whatever, is always a question like what or where or when or how much or stuff like that goes second. And the last one is what we call the verb, right? The verb, nashcha, colored, is colored. What color is what color is. Okay, nashcha, colored. So that red nashcha is always going to come at the end in their question and in your answers. All right, down here I said, what color is this ball right here? And somebody would say, Josh, lejen do go nashchan. So you can do multiple colors, right? Multiple colors. All you gotta do is put do and black and white colored. All right, anybody have any questions? All right, Cat, Harley, Cat, I'll go on it. I'm going to go up that far, and now you notice a different pattern. Okay, the pattern is the thing that we're going to teach is called Nsakis. The things we're going to ask a question about is going to be a question, some kind of a question. How, what, where, when. You'll learn all of the question makers, all right? Sometimes we'll say da, is this, and we'll say da. Sometimes it's a yes or no question. Oh, daga, no. So we'll learn all those questions. So the pattern is set for us. Question and then an answer, question and an answer. And I want you to see the pattern, how the pattern here and how the pattern here. So first pattern that you recognize is, it's whatever we're talking about, it comes first to joy. Whatever we say it is, or is doing, something that's doing, we always put it at the end, nashchang. Okay, and then ha means, I'll put the words in here. All right, so let's see. Just thinking ahead here. Nijone ye. Thank you. Ha. So those are words that you can learn. All right, so yeah, I did a video clip on this, so just go back and listen to this little part. Oh, this part. Oh, I didn't do one. So I'll do one on the last 1, 2, 3, 4. Just give you cultural understanding of the 4 main clans. All right. All right, so next Tuesday, we're going to add numbers. So I'll see where it says 1 through 11. So this is the one where we're going to use these in our question and answer. So if we learn these, then we'll make question and answers. For example, Shitsu Johnny okay. Anyway, similar to this, it won't be this. This is last year's. So lesson 3 will be numbers. And look out for the video clip, or look out for it'll always be like this. Okay, it'll always be Nsakis, not ina, season. This is the pattern. All right. If you got a question, ask it in the chat. If not, I can't. You guys did good. Big hand, big hand.
I'll go on there.
I'll go on it. And turn off the recorder.